Hello and welcome. We have another day, and that's the border with Hungary. Yes, I was sleeping here. It's basically 7 AM. Schengen. Oh my god, and we are driving. I have 200 kilometers to the company, and I will probably switch trailers again. Yesterday was crazy, you know. I have lost probably something like 2 hours in this traffic in Czechia. But later on I was just flying, you know, through the highway and through Slovakia, and we are here. As you can see, maybe we are going to have a nice weather in Hungary. Maybe. I still have 150 kilometers. If you are wondering what is happening, I'm waiting in a traffic jam already 1 hour without moving. Yeah. I still have probably 70 or 80 kilometers to the company. It's the same traffic jam as last time. Fuck's sake, Hungary, come on. As you can see, I have left the highway and I have just like 1 kilometer to this company. Just 1 kilometer. Yeah, it's basically there on the right. So right now I will just go to office. I know where is office, yeah, I don't have to search for it. So I will go to office, I will get some coffee, I will give them the paperwork, and I will probably park this trailer somewhere. It's almost 11 AM. And then we are waiting for the next destination. Yeah. They could give me again Slovenia. Yeah, I guess that we can go to Slovenia again. It would be nice. Slovenia, yes. Or I could go to Poland again. But via Slovakia, not Czechia. Yes. Or Slovenia. Something, you know. Okay, so what is happening? Look at this. I'm taking different trailer to the other side of this warehouse, and I have to do the same with 2 other trailers. Yes. Just take it from one side to the other side because it's already empty. Okay, you know, that's the job. I will take my time, you know, it will take a while for me to do it. I mean, if you don't like switching trailers, it's going to be a hell for you, but if you don't mind, holy shit, best job ever, you know. Okay, so what is happening? Yeah, do you see this red light? I'm waiting for this light to be green, and then I will take this trailer to the other side of the company for loading, and I will leave it, and that's it for today. They are loading for me a different trailer, so probably tomorrow I will start driving. Okay, so what is happening? 5 PM. I have 440 kilometers to Austria. Yes, we are going to Austria, very close to the city of Linz. Yes, Linz. So we are going to see some mountains, We are going very close to border with Czech Republic, you know, like Austria and Czech Republic. Yes, I have 5 tons of load to shop, you know, and that's what I will do tomorrow. I still have 5 hours of driving time and working time, so I will drive something like 4 hours, yeah, and I will stop somewhere in Austria. Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, that's the plan. And I will unload it tomorrow. It's going to be Thursday. And we'll do something, yeah. I don't know what. Something. But for now I want to get out, you know. Those trucks are waiting because the security guy is checking documents and he's taking a picture of the load, you know, and the seal, you know, like we have seal, look at this. Okay, so look at this shit. It's raining. We have roadworks in Hungary, yes. 40 kilometers, 40 kilometers of roadworks with that kind of shit. I can't see shit, okay? Like, I don't know what I see. I see nothing, okay? In case of roadworks, you have to guide yourself with yellow lines that are basically invisible. Okay, yeah, okay. Let it be. I'm just, I don't know. I'm trying to keep myself in those lines that I can see, you know, like sometimes. And I can see truck in front of me, okay, and I'm just trying to drive like he's driving. 20 kilometers left of something like that. Yeah, totally 40 kilometers, but I already drive 20 kilometers in this shitness, in this madness, you know, and it's raining, obviously, like, obviously, why not? In that kind of situation, it should be forbidden for those cars to overtake. Okay, we should have just one lane here, you know, and that's it, because, like, holy shit, like, the end of the road is barely visible, okay? Lines barely visible, like, everything is barely visible. Everything. Even the sense of life, you know, even the purpose of this all is barely visible right now. And we are going down, holy shit, which means that we have to brake, and we have to watch out with retarder because I have only 5 tons, so I can slide. It's fucking perfect, you know, it's just perfect. We are doing something between 60 and 75. The speed limit is 80. Oh my god, come on, come on. I don't know, like... I just want to get to Austria, yeah. I do not believe that I'm saying this. I want to get to Austria, yeah, because they have much better highway. Oh my god. Okay, so what is happening? It's basically 7:45 p.m. and those lights in front of me, that's the border with Austria. Yes, we are entering Austria. Have I been here before? I have no fucking idea, you know, like, I just don't know. I don't remember, like, I don't know. Probably. Like, those all borders here are basically the same. Driving time, tell me something. We have 1 hour 48 minutes, okay, of driving time and working time. Which means that with this time I have to park somewhere. Okay, do we have any sign for trucks? Yes, we have. Yes, we fucking have, obviously. Right here. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Navi is telling me that we have to kinda go to the right. Obviously I'm the first truck, you know, so like I have no idea where exactly I'm supposed to go. I just don't like... like what this guy is doing. Like, no, we cannot go here. No, we cannot. He fucked up. Okay, he fucked up. Okay. Yes, we are going here. We are going here to the right. Why they are making such a complicated? I don't know. Anyway, we are not parking here. We are trying to get to Vienna, and we will try to pass Vienna, you know, to get somewhere beyond Vienna, because then I have, like, I don't know where to go, you know, like, what? Fucking no idea. Like, you have some signs, but there are so many roads here. Yes, I will try to park after Vienna. I will have some kind of express road, which is not a main transit road in Austria, so I hope that I will have some parking places. But right now, let's just let's enter Austria. Yeah, those guys on the right, they are just taking break or sleeping, like just like that. Okay, we have something here. Oh yeah, it's already Austria, look. It is already Austria. I haven't been here before, like, I don't remember. Oh, there is some kind of police in front. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, I just want to pass, don't mind me, don't mind me. I'm just passing. Yes, just like that. Oh, we have even 3 places to park. Interesting. But you know, it's not that late, you know, like almost 8 p.m. Like, nah. Anyway. Come on, come on. Do we really have to? Yeah, control. Okay, so I had to put down the camera because there was a guy, a soldier, you know, there was a soldier wearing a mask, and he was just looking at me, you know. And he was looking at every single truck, but they are not stopping trucks, so I guess, I don't know, they are just looking, maybe, because no cars are going there, just trucks, so I don't know, maybe they are looking for some trucks from outside of Europe, maybe. Anyway, welcome to Austria. We are going, you know, I will drive, like, I guess 1 hour, you know, I will try to drive as long as possible, so I will just have less kilometers for tomorrow, because I have just 237 kilometers left. Okay, so I have parked. Yes, I have parked. Here is the highway, and we are parked. That's normal parking place, yeah. I had to reverse here. You probably can't see shit. There is a guy in front of me, and there's a guy behind me. It's okay. It's going to be good for 10 hours of break, because we have 9 p.m. 9! And yeah, I have 140 kilometers from here, which is going to be less than 2 hours, so we can wake up at 7 and start driving. It will be fine. As you can see, we have another day and we are going. Yes, that's the parking place. Yeah, I'm letting this guy. Come on, just drive, man. It's snowing, you know. Look, it's snowing, but we have almost 2 degrees outside, so this snow is just melting, and I hope it will stay like that. Yeah, hopefully. Okay, it's 7:20 a.m. 137 kilometers. I will be there after 9 a.m., which is good because they are opening from 9. And let's go. It's finally bright, yeah, so I can see something. Not much, but I can see something.